At UCOR, we are supporting DOE Oak Ridge Environmental Management's cleanup mission at East Tennessee Technology Park. At Oak Ridge National Laboratory and at Y-12 National Security Complex, our cleanup efforts are supporting current and future missions.
So we're out here today at the K832 Basin project. We started dewatering this facility back in May of this year, so we've been dewatering for 7 or 8 months. We finally got the water level down low enough that we can start the RA portion of the work. And you can see behind me now they're removing some of the remaining concrete structure inside the facility. And once that's complete, we've got sludge in the bottom of the facility that we have to get out and ship to EMWMF. At that point, once we get the basin and the flume clean, we'll be able to backfill, and the site will be ready for future industrial use.
Workers are backfilling an area on the east end of the K25 building footprint where contaminated soil was excavated. The mile-long K25 building that was built during the Manhattan Project to enrich uranium was demolished in 2013. After soil characterization, contamination was found in the soil under a portion of the building slab. Workers have excavated more than 72,000 cubic yards of soil to remove the contamination and are now backfilling the site. Workers continue making progress in demolishing the J-Lab area of the ETTP Centrifuge Complex. Waste is being hauled for disposal as demolition takes place. Meanwhile, workers are busy with deactivation in other sections of the complex to prepare them for demolition.
Progress continues on removing 2 former nuclear facilities located on ORNL's central campus. Workers have successfully moved buildings 3010 and 3026 to the cold and dark stage in the deactivation process. There, all utilities have been isolated. Getting a building to cold and dark is a crucial step in preparing for demolition. Tankers continued collecting water from the K832 Basin remediation site for processing at the Liquid and Gaseous Waste Operations Facility at ORNL. The LGWO facilities treat contaminated waste from cleanup activities, mission-critical science programs, and other waste. The LGWO, which includes 64 facilities and more than 20 miles of piping, has treated more than 500,000 gallons of water from the K832 basins. A multidisciplinary UCOR team installed specialized electronic monitoring devices to measure leachate depth at the Oak Ridge Reservation landfill. The work was in response to state regulators' request affecting landfills statewide.
In November, UCOR was named to the 2019 list of America's Safest Companies by EHS Today magazine. EHS Today's editor-in-chief, Dave Blanchard, said UCOR made the list because the company proactively introduces operational and safety technologies to keep employees safe and ensure a successful mission. Representatives from the North America's Building Trades Unions, or NABTU, visited UCOR in November. UCOR is heavily invested in local union labor as it performs cleanup and remediation work on the Oak Ridge Reservation. During the visit, NABTU representatives toured projects at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, Y-12 National Security Complex, and the East Tennessee Technology Park.
Workers completed all of this and much more last month. Stay tuned to see all of the progress we make by following us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter.